let's make few balance part of assembly. See, this is the assembly of injector. See, there is a one gasket going to place at between upper and lower body. You will see here, it is going to place here. Then there is a one filler also going to add here. Then there is a washer. This size is similar to the flange size of this two valve. Then this one, see, 8 millimeter hole, outer diameter 16, length 16, and see there is a two angle 90 and 120. We will see how to do this. Then there is one washer. 6.4 is the diameter, hole diameter, total diameter 12, 1.6 millimeter. Now let's import any lower body or any assembly. Now select this top face, sketch, convert entity. Now see, again activate convert entity, select this one. Okay, this face selected, select chain, and here also inner loop one by one, select all, say OK, extrude, and the depth is only 0.5 millimeter. Uncheck merge result. Okay, now bottom body I want to delete, direct editing, delete and keep body, delete body, select bottom. Now clear, choose this only bottom body. Okay, now this one color you will change something like this is some oil paper or something like. Let's see the material available or not. Organic, water, gemstone, liquid, sand. Okay, let's do something like this. Now this one don't save, otherwise you will erase your previous body. Go and save as. Don't do save, otherwise you will lose your previous body. And give name gasket. Desktop. Save. Okay, let's go to other part. Front plane sketch. Draw center line. Okay, again let me choose here line. Connect. First make outer diameter 16, then select inner diameter 8. Now select this one, total depth or length 16. Now select the bottom angle 90 divided by 2, 45. Similarly do upper angle 120 divided by 2. Go to feature, apply revolve boss base feature and select the center line as the axis of revolution. Say OK. Okay. Now this is a filler and made with rubber. Texture rubber. Okay. This looks. Now save this one. Filler. Then last part is washer. Top plane sketch. Activate circle. And let's activate dimension. Outer diameter 12 and inner hole 6.4. Go to feature, apply extruded boss base. I want to add material here. Here keep end condition mid plane so that material flow both side equally. 1.6 millimeter. Okay. and this is steel, so directly go and apply steel, chrome plate steel, save, washer. Okay, in next lecture we will do assembly.